Today, I'll walk you through how to add a cover in Notion's gallery view, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Notion pages with visually appealing covers, so you can create a more engaging workspace. First, let's navigate to your Notion cover view. Open your Notion application and find the page where you want to add a cover. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be applicable. Once you're on the right page, click on the area designated for the cover. This will allow you to add a cover image right under your cover view visual cue. Next, look for the option that says Add Cover. This is typically a button that appears once you click on the page. Clicking this will generate a random cover image for you. You can reposition it or change it using the cover of your choice visual cue. Now, if you want to customize your cover further, click the Change button. Here, you can either choose from the available templates or upload your own image by clicking the Upload button. This flexibility allows you to personalize your Notion pages to better reflect your style or the theme of your project visual cue. Once you've clicked on Upload File, select the image you want to use as your cover. This step is crucial for making your pages visually appealing. After uploading, repeat these steps for any other pages under your cover view. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just follow the same process for each page visual cue. After you've added covers to all your pages, you can reposition them as needed. This gives you the opportunity to create a cohesive look across your gallery view. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, click on the Settings option from your cover view page. Next, select Layout. Here, you'll find options to customize how your cards appear. Choose Card Preview and then select Page Cover. This will ensure that your newly added covers are displayed prominently, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your Notion workspace visual cue. In summary, adding a cover in Notion's gallery view is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your workspace. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a visually appealing and organized environment that reflects your personal style. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.